Number 1. Phone addiction. You keep checking your phone every few minutes without even realizing it. It breaks your focus and makes your brain depend on quick dopamine hits. Slowly, you lose the ability to stay present. Number 2. Sleeping too late. Late nights become a habit, even when there's no reason. It messes up your energy and mood the next day. You start every morning feeling drained. Number 3. Constant comparison. You keep comparing your life to what you see online. It makes you feel behind and not good enough. But most of that content isn't even real life. Number 4. Procrastination loop. You keep saying, "I'll do it later," again and again. Small tasks turn into stress because you delay them too much. It builds pressure for no reason. Number 5. Ignoring your health. No movement, no exercise, just sitting all day. Your body starts feeling heavy and low. When your body is weak, your mind feels it too. Number 6. Negative self-talk. You keep putting yourself down in your own mind. Every mistake feels like failure. Over time, it destroys your confidence. Number 7. Avoiding hard things. You always choose comfort over effort. Anything that feels difficult, you avoid it, but real growth only comes from discomfort. Number 8. No clear direction. You don't set goals or plan your day. You just go with the flow every time. This keeps you stuck in the same place. Number 9. Unhealthy eating. You eat whatever, whenever, without thinking. Junk food messes with your energy and mood. Number 10. Blaming others. You don't take responsibility for your life. You blame people, situations, or luck. This keeps you stuck and powerless. Number 11. Quitting too soon. The moment things get hard, you give up. You don't give yourself enough time to grow. Success needs patience, not quick exits. Number 12. No self-reflection. You end your day without thinking about it. No lessons, no improvement, just repeat. Without awareness, nothing really changes. Number 13. Seeking constant validation. You keep looking for approval from others before feeling good about yourself. Your mood depends on what people say or think. This slowly takes away your self-worth. Number 14. Overloading your mind. Too much content, too many opinions, all at once. Your brain never gets a break to process anything. It leaves you feeling mentally exhausted. Number 15. Ignoring your emotions. You act like everything is fine, even when it's not. Bottling things up only makes it worse later. Which habit are you ready to fix first? Drop the number and start today. Subscribe.